Okay, in this video, we're going to show how to actually use a tool for the removal of duplicate points or points that are kind of relatively close and you don't need them. This function is called remove duplicates, and it's found in the ANZ or ANZ tools ribbon. Now, if you don't know how to get there, if it's not on yours, you go custom ribbon and you scroll through the list until you'll see it turned off and you just toggle that on, right? So that function itself is right here. When you tap on it, it opens up. It allows you to pick the points that you want to actually filter, and you can remove them completely from the project, or you can actually relayer them. Now, because we're doing point filtering, we'll just turn off most of these since we're doing it basically based on geometry, how close or how far. And I'm going to pick a distance that's kind of like not that far. So I'm going to just pick these 2 points. So it's about 2.8. So I'll just go, 2.5, something like that. And let's see what happens when we do that. Hit apply. And you'll notice not every point went away, right? I'm going to hit the undo button, and I'm going to do something that's much larger this time. So I'm going to go 0.6 instead. All right, and I'm going to hit apply, and voila. So this is just a tool that you can take advantage of in filtering out objects.